Alright, so hey everyone on YouTube, this is me, Max+2003 friends. James is back there somewhere, and this is Ben. A new guy who you have to remember for later. Anyways, this is a test run of, this is also going to be part of the video, I think, from when we're going to hit the kid. So this is a test run and what it's going to look like if I drive down.
I'll hold it for you.
Alright, now
Put your night's hat on. Put your
no,
night's
keep
hat
it there. Keep it
on. No, put your night's hat on. You gotta put your night's hat on.
I'm gonna put my... This is my helmet. Freaking leather hat. Get in. I can say whoa. Ready? Yeah, ready.
Go.
Ready? I'm gonna let go in a minute.
You sure?
Yes, I'm ready. Dude, you have to like use that way.
Yeah.
Okay, go!
Oh, you okay?
Fine.
Are you? Fail. Everyone else is
We're gonna try one more time.
That was sick though.
Okay. Except in the video, you can't have it like moving. So let's just see my Alright, you're ready. Shiny Oh, God. Double flip! And a cracked rib. Yeah, I'm fine.
Dang.
Oh,
You okay?
I just sat down. Film me right now. This is a test run. Okay.
You shouldn't have a helmet on.
Yeah, who needs a helmet?
You're slamming a tree.
I'm freaking scared.
Go on a hospital.
No, I did this yesterday.
James, you did this yesterday? Yeah. Hey, Dad.
This isn't even gonna be. Phone is ready.
We're putting that on AFB. We are putting that on AFB.
Oh.
That was so funny. End the video.
Ah!
We are putting that on AFB.
Okay. Alright, this is a reenactment of what it's gonna look like. Ben, you're gonna act as the Superman guy who's gonna supposedly look like that. I suggest you should.
Yes, because I'm awesome.
You get to wear my helmet.
Yay.
And so what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go down and you're gonna be at the bottom of the hill. No, you're at the bottom of the hill. And I'm gonna run into you. Sound okay with that? Does that sound okay?
Why are you going to run into me?
Or be a sissy. Oh, like this! Wheelie! I guess Graham is the best part for Superman because
Really small.
yeah. James, go get Graham. Go get Graham so we can do this.
Who wants to come with me?
I will. Alright. Epic fail.